Alrighty guys, so for this video we're going to create a phone stand and we're gonna try to make it super quick. First we're gonna start by creating a sketch by clicking this button, and when you click on the button the program is going to ask you to choose a plane. We are gonna choose this plane on the right, because this one is going to show you your X line right here and your Y line right here. When you click on it, it's going to become flat. And the way that I'm going to do it is I'm going to choose this pan and I'm going to move it to the side. You can also do that by clicking the scroll wheel in your mouse. From here, I'm going to use the line. I'm going to start right here in my origin. Remember, the red line is going to be your X. The green line is going to be your Y. I'm going to start my origin, which is 0, 0. When I click, I can just let it go. And it gives me the size and it gives me the angles. For the size that we're going to be using is going to be 3 inches. So you can just type 3 and it's going to lock it on 3. And then if you need to lock your angle, you can just do tab. And now you can just type your angle right there. It's going to be 60. You can select the line one more time. You can click right there to keep going. You can do the same thing. It's going to be 3 inches. Tab. It's going to be 60 degrees. And now you have 2 lines. The last one, you don't actually need to create it. You don't need to type it because it's going to be the same size. So you can just join these 2 points. We're going to need to create a hole in the middle. We wanted to make it equal. We don't need to draw everything one more time. We can just create an offset and select the outlines by pressing Shift. You can create this one and this one. And for some reason it's not letting me. Hold on. Here, offset. Okay, now I've selected both of them. And I'm just gonna do 0.25. And I'm gonna select OK. So now I created this line. Now I'm just gonna create a little lip to hold the phone. I'm going to click right here at the end, and I'm going to create a line that is half an inch. And then I'm going to make the thickness. For the thickness, I'm just going to do 1/4 of an inch. And then I'm just going to finish it right here. Now I have almost everything ready, except I'm going to zoom in right here. And I have these first points, and I have this line that is going to separate this one from this one. And I want to have it together. So the only thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Trim, and I'm going to click on the line. I know that it's giving us a warning for constraint or dimension, but it's okay. When you zoom out, you look around, it actually looks good. I'm going to finish the sketch. The only thing we're going to do is we're going to give it the thickness. We're going to click on extrude. We're going to select this outside line. And if you move it a little bit to the side, you're going to see a little arrow. And you can just click and drag it. You can also just select and type the measurements. In our case, we're also going to make it 3 inches, and we're just going to press OK. And that is it. We have our basic phone stand.